Hello friends, I am astrologer Vikas Malhotra and I welcome all of you to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share with you some of the tried and tested remedies for early solemnization of marriage. When a marriage is delayed intentionally, then it is a different issue. But when in spite of doing all efforts by a boy or girl or his or her parents, the marriage is delayed, then it is necessary to look into the horoscope of concerned persons to find out factors which are acting as hindrances in the path of marriage and causing unwanted delays in marriage. There may be combination of Sun and Saturn in your horoscope which may be delaying the marriage, or there may be certain doshas like Manglik dosh, or there may be any affliction on 7th house or its lord in your horoscope. There are thousands of remedies that are available on the internet at different websites and social media channels, but the problem is that how will you know which remedy is appropriate for your case? Lal Kitab says that remedies should be done very carefully considering the planetary combination of an individual horoscope. Wrong remedy done may lead to destruction of results of a benefic planet in the horoscope also. I have seen in various interaction with my clients that they go on doing remedies which are written and copied on the internet by many so-called expert astrologers and others without even understanding the basics of astrology. This results in frustration and depression in the mind of a person, and he or she may lose his or her self-confidence also. That is why in this video I am sharing some of the very effective Lal Kitab remedies which are time tested and may give benefit to you in getting a life partner of your choice, but in any case they would not harm you. This is the uniqueness of remedies suggested in this video, that it may have some positive effect on finding suitable match for you, but in any case it will not harm you. For knowing specific remedies for your horoscope, you will need to book a specific consultation so that you can get the benefit of good planets in your horoscope and at the same time able to reduce the impact of malefic planets. This video I am sharing in English language, and if you want to see marriage remedies videos in Hindi, you can visit our other channel with the name Lal Kitab Astro Center channel, and there you can find out all the videos in Hindi language also. If you are comfortable and fully conversant with Hindi language, then you can see videos in Hindi also at our other channel Lal Kitab Astro Center. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, I would request you to subscribe this channel so that you may get timely updates, and please put the bell notification also. If you want to see videos in Hindi, you can subscribe our other channel Lal Kitab Astro Center channel. The link of that channel is in the description of this video. Now I am sharing some of the remedies which can be done both by boy and girl, and some remedies which can be specifically done by other persons. First of all, you should put some turmeric powder, that is haldi powder, in the bathing water. This is applicable for both girls and boys, and after the bath, boy and girl should put a tilak on their forehead with saffron. Secondly, this remedy is for girls. Whenever girls are going for marriage purposes or they are meeting someone, they should wear new clothes. This will help in solemnizing marriage early, and it should also be ensured that they wear yellow clothes on Thursday and white clothes on Friday. The third remedy which I am talking about can be done by boy as well as girl. This remedy has to be started from first Thursday of Shukla Paksh, that is waxing moon. You can look at any Panchang online for this purpose. If you are not able to do this, you can start this remedy from first Thursday of any month. For this remedy, you have to take 5 different sweets with 1 green cardamom, that is elaichi, and take 1 pure desi ghee lamb, this should be of cow, and offer these to a banana tree. First of all, offer water to banana tree and then offer sweets and green cardamom, and then lit pure desi ghee lamp and pray for your marriage. Next remedy can also be done by boy as well as girl. Those who are facing obstacles in marriage or are seeing their marriage talks go in vain, they should offer regularly green grass to a cow, and they should also give some money to a eunuch, especially on Wednesday. In addition, praying to Lord Shiva and his consort Ma Parvati daily and offering raw milk, wood apple leaves, that is bel patra, rice grain, vermilion to them paves the way for desired matrimony. You can offer red chunni, red bangles and sindoor things related to marriage in the temple to Ma Parvati also. Boys and girls of marriageable age should put a bit of mehndi meant for bride or groom whenever they get a chance to attend a marriage ceremony. There are many cases where marriage negotiations break down. If marriage negotiation is breaking down repeatedly after reaching final stage, make it a point to put off shoes or slippers before entering the room where marriage talks are taking place. Finally, for early marriage, girls should keep fast for 16 consecutive Mondays and offer Ganga water or normal water in a Shiva temple. You can also offer regular abhishek with normal water or milk on Abhimantrit Narmadeshwar Shivling if you have kept it at your home. Friends, I have shared some very effective remedies. You must try these remedies. You will be definitely benefited by these remedies. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe our channel also. We will share some more remedies in the coming videos. Thank you.